Hello everybody and welcome back. We're now going to do this tutorial on how to make your own online server at AWS with EC2 instances. With EC2. So first of all, we're going to EC2. There is S3 and there's EC2. S3 is for keeping your files in. It's a storage, online storage is, but with AWS it keeps all your files such as PDFs, documents like your IDs, passports, driver license, etc. Those type of IDs or any other documents that you can keep in S3, but you can make it public, but you can make them private. Yeah, so it's recommendable like you keep your IDs, your documents as PDFs private. It's a recommended thing to do. It's it's safe also. Okay, let's continue with EC2. So here. All right. Now to make our own online server, this we press launch instances. Okay. Choose an Amazon machine image. Let's try. Which one can be? All right. Okay. Try. This. All right. Let's keep it like this in default. All right. As you can see, everyone, you can probably put a name on your server. So maybe it's gonna ask you later to put a name. Okay, this rules with source of 00 allow all IP addresses to access your instance. We recommend setting security group rules to allow access from known IP addresses only. It's fine. Alright. Any anywhere. We'll put it public. There you go. Bunch. This programming. There. There you go. Okay. All set. There you go. Now you have your server. Let's put a name. Let's put tech. Correct. There you go. It's running. As you see, your server is now ready. Okay. Bye everyone.